Today is officially my first day of in-person classes for my college freshman year. Okay guys, so it is officially my first day of in-person classes. I am home alone right now because my siblings are at school and my mom's at work. While I get ready, I'm going to be talking to you guys about how I feel about this upcoming college freshman experience. Let's get into this video. Guys, I am currently making my bed. I actually came into this semester with really high hopes and I'm really excited about more or less what I'm going to be learning. I am taking business major to earn my associate's degree, and I'm not trying to put any negative energy whatsoever into the start of this fresh new school year. It's also currently 10:04 and I'm going to be leaving at 11:45 and my bed is all made, and so now we're going to be doing my bathroom stuff. So now I'm going to be doing the usual stuff I do for my routine, which is brushing my teeth and washing my face and moisturizing, and I'm going to be using all the same products I usually use, nothing different. Fun fact guys, I actually have an assignment today that is due at 11:59 p.m. And I'm just hoping I have enough time this morning to get it done. Same old facial cleanser, CeraVe, nothing different. Same old moisturizer, which is the Hawaiian Tropic Sheer Touch. Love this. I wear it literally every day, all day. I did check my clothes out last night because I was not dealing with a crisis of what do I wear. Because I feel like the most important times of your life, that's when you really have no clothes. Like, especially when you really need to get dressed and you look in your closet and you're like, let's be for real. I'm gonna start off with the top. This cute, like, baby blue top. Definitely getting into that fall weather, so I want to do basically a full cover up, nothing too heavy. So we're gonna be doing this cute top. It's currently 10:40, so yeah guys, time moves quick. But I did get this for my senior trip and I did end up wearing it and it was cute. I do wish I could have paired it better, but it was really hot. This top on now. A cooked 8 gives me ballerina vibe. First, second, third type crap. Fourth, fifth. Let me stop. Bell bottoms. These really cute bell bottoms. And if y'all want to know where they're from, this in the back. So if y'all know where that's from, so cute. I have 2 belt options. We either have this belt, which is like not even the same shade. We have this white belt. My hairstyle includes a white headband, so then I'm like, I low-key should be wearing this one. But then if I wear this one, maybe it won't throw it off too much. So I'm trying to see like which one looks cuter. This one matches more. I think I'm gonna just do this one. These are my mom's old belts from like high school. And it's kind of cute, you know, because like if I like lift up or like goes like that, like the belt shows. But, like the belt doesn't really show, and I'm here for that. My Hello Kitty mirror. In case anybody wanted to know, I got this lash curler at Five Below after my lash curler was on its last curl. And to like better explain what's going on with my college experience, oh my god, my earring is not even fully in. Hello? My college experience might be a little bit different from normal college experiences because I decided to pursue my degree online. However, I do have some in-person classes because I couldn't do everything asynchronous or synchronously. So I am taking classes online, hence why I don't have to be there every morning, but today I do. So I have my first year seminar class, which is from 2:10 to 3 p.m. But since I'm a commuter, I have to leave at 11 so I can get there by like 1:50. So I can make it there just a little bit earlier because I want to be able to find my class beforehand. And I know that it's good to be a little bit early to your classes because I want to be able to pick out a seat that I like. But everyone seems more or less happy sitting in the back, and I don't want to sit in the back, so I don't think it will matter. And I don't want to be late because like I actually left late. I'd rather be late because I was looking for my class. Something I hate about colleges is how people look down on people who choose to go to a community college, like a CUNY school. It's just like, they all teach you low-key the same thing. It's just the SUNY schools or universities are deemed like higher. And it's like so annoying that people give people who go to like community college a weird look. All I'm saying is if my lashes don't look like that on this side, I'm broken that. It's always like one side of lashes that look perfect and then the other side look insane. If y'all wanna know what mascara I use telescopic carbon black. And this is what telescopic carbon black will do for you. I love the way my lashes look. I'm having a good lash day. Okay guys, I'm just gonna try to get some studying on. It's currently 11:25, so I have 20 minutes. So I might as well just spend the 20 minutes trying to study instead of spending the 20 minutes sitting here on my phone. Okay guys, my bus comes in like 5 minutes and I did not bring my mics with me because no. I'm walking to the bus stop right now and I'm gonna film my time on the bus. I'm not gonna do my outro until after classes so I can let y'all know how it went. So guys, I'm gonna go make some TikToks. The end of the video, so please like, subscribe, and turn on those post notifications if you want to get notifications when I post videos. I hope you can still hear me. There's a whole airplane going on. It actually wasn't that bad. I was very nervous when getting there and I didn't get lost. I was in the right place. I just felt like I was lost. I like literally wasn't sure if I was in the right place, and I was in the right place, but now I'm home. I feel like it's my lucky day because I just found money. Literally I got up in the bus and there was money right under my butt. Thank you.